Previously on Mattie's Glam Life, I shared with you all some amazing shapewear that is going to help you to get that hourglass shape instantly. If you are interested in getting an hourglass shape, make sure that you check out this video. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a bomb growth scrub. I absolutely love this scrub. It is amazing to use while you're in the shower, and you get great benefits. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure that you give it a huge thumbs up and leave your girl some stars down below. Let's get started. So I will be starting off with some coconut oil. After all, this is a scrub, so you're going to need some coconut oil and also a carrier oil of your choice, which I'm going to share with you guys exactly which one I chose in a second. But you could use any coconut oil of your choice. I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of this, and you could place this in the microwave for a few seconds if you'd like for your coconut oil to be melted. I'm going for a certain type of consistency, so I'm not putting mine in the microwave because I know that I would melt mine a little bit too much. And moving right along, I will be using my Vaseline. Now you could use any petroleum jelly of your choice. It does not have to be Vaseline specifically. I think that a lot of people forget that Vaseline is actually a brand and petroleum jelly is a thing, okay? So use whichever petroleum jelly that you choose to, and I'm going to be adding in about 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Y'all see my mama being silly and sticking her hand in the camera while I'm recording. I'm going to be using some grapeseed oil, and I will be adding in about 2 tablespoons of this. Now actually you could use any carrier oil of your choice, whether it be jojoba oil, olive oil, any type of oil. You could use it, okay? Now, one thing that I will mention about this mixture is you can clog your drain up very fast with this. Trust me, I am the queen of clogging up drains. So I do want to put that out there to all of you guys that are interested in using this. And moving along to the next step, I'm going to be adding in some granulated sugar. Now, typically, whenever it comes to mixtures, I'll use brown sugar, but today I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Now, let me tell y'all why I love brown sugar, because it is more moisturizing than any other sugar that you could possibly use. But today I decided to work with the granulated sugar because it works just as good. I think that it is a little bit more rough on the skin, helping to, I guess, plump up the skin and its firmness a lot faster. But if you are someone with sensitive skin, I don't think that you would enjoy this mixture too much. So make sure that you use it less. I'd recommend to anyone that is looking to use this for bomb growth, you could use this a few times a week. But if you're someone with more sensitive skin, tone it down to maybe about 2 to 3 times per week. And after you are finished mixing up your mixture, it is then ready to be applied. Now, I'd recommend using this specifically while you're in the shower. Rinse off, and once you get out, apply yourself something that is very moisturizing. Whatever lotion you love to use. Y'all know that I'm a Nivea girl. I absolutely love all the Nivea lotions because they are extremely moisturizing, and I believe that they also help to lock in the moisture from things like this that you use while you're in the shower. Now, I've come such a long way with my body transformation journey, and I love all the items that I've used because they've helped me out tremendously. If you guys have never watched my Vaseline and olive oil treatment, check it out. I'm going to list it up in the cards for you all because that video is also very informative, and if you use these two in conjunction with one another, you should see amazing results. I want to thank you guys so much for checking out the channel and for being a part of the Glam fam. If you aren't already a part of the Glam fam, girl, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Just watch me. Give me, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me. Just watch me.